She not have no kitchen. She not have no kitchen. Dan live in a plastic, live in a somebody Dan rent one room from. Somebody Dan rent one room from. Dan can't show one dresser or one center table or one dining table or one dining area. Dan, bed tired of Dan. Cause there's only, me never see Dan stuck not even on one chair. Me know up them place where they stay all them wall one bed and maybe one dresser. So Dan not fit talk. Me never see Dan a cook yet. Me never see Dan. I do nothing progressive. Me would say yeah that big money I do something. What Dan doing? Dan, no come boy, nothing at all in a foreign where you don't have. No come boy, nothing in a foreign where you do not have. Because you don't have nothing. You don't have nothing. Because if me and mother, God forbid, but you shouldn't have ball all no for Samantha. And you know why you shouldn't have ball because you talk to Samantha call and you don't answer the call. If you want man, you're the answer. So right there and then you shouldn't have ball same way. But you can't ball because you know so the girl they don't lose in life. Because you're jealous and bad man after your daughter house. You ever come on TikTok one time like how Queenie come ban for a blood clot, Rochelle? You ever come on TikTok one time? Come say Samantha, rest in peace. You ever come say my daughter, boy? You never do that. You never do that. But you're in a people life and people business. Old girl, tough face. Blood clot, all center blood clot table. Leland, blood clot, chuck body girl. You ever come ball? Girl one juice. You ever come ball yet? Samantha did about 2 years now. And you never come on blood clot TikTok. Never a blood clot memorial you acknowledge. Not even Samantha memorial you come blood clot acknowledge. Have you? People better know a money gun. Go change prayer pampas and come back. Give you one muffin too. May I beg one money gun? Can I waste my breath? I'm tired. I'm going to listen to my church. Thank you, Lati, but thank you. No help Lati and do something.
Bless your people right now.
How are this Bishop Ashua?
Deliver your people right now. I your people right now. Pray in the name of Jesus Christ.
I not talk nothing more to my screen. I pretty up because I don't think so. I'm going to raise my blood pressure. And when time I got a doctor, I don't tell me so I show me on TikTok, of course. Now wait. I may cut it till later. Because I come right back. I cut my dumpling and pork. And go send the Lexi put on my clothes on the machine for when I done so I can go dry clothes them. Because the uniform wet, right? Body over here now no money gone. I'm sorry. But I can't carry on. Put in plate in the kitchen now. Thank you. You can do something. You do something, man. You do something. You must can do something. You must can do something. Everybody here cuss and I get money. You know I'm over here cuss like me a blood clot laghead. You must can do something, brother. White boss. A monster boy, yeah. Tenisha kids, how this?